Bullockornis, known as the demon duck of doom, was a large flightless bird from the Middle Miocene period, which was endemic to Australia. This creature is now extinct. Bullockornis lived in Australia up until about 50,000 years ago. They were carnivorous and hunted small to medium-sized prey. This bird measured 2.5 meters tall and weighed approximately 250 kilograms. Bullockornis possessed a large beak which was designed to shear. This design has led scientists to believe that this animal was carnivorous. Many paleontologists believe that Bullockornis is related to ducks and geese. This, as well as its size and diet, have earned it its nickname. It has also been mistranslated on multiple occasions, with people believing that its name means ox bird. However, this name is actually derived from Bullock Creek, Australia, the fossil site where Bullockornis was discovered.